Good morning, girls. We are discussing the laws of motion chapter. Under that, in the last class, we discussed what are the advantages and disadvantages of friction. So there are some advantages and also disadvantages. If there is a disadvantages, what we should do? We should decrease the friction to make it as an advantages. So for decreasing friction, we are having some methods. So in today's class, we will discuss the methods of decreasing friction. So if we decrease the friction, there will be no disadvantages with the friction. So what are the methods we have to follow to decrease the friction? So for that, first, polishing. Polishing is nothing but by polishing the surfaces of contact, friction can be reduced. That means for rough surface there will be more friction. So if we polish the rough surface, what happens? It will become smooth and the friction will get reduces. So that there will be no disadvantage with the friction. This is one of the method to decrease the friction. By polishing the surfaces. If the surfaces are rough, if we polish the surface, that means if we smooth the surface, what happens? The friction gets reduced. And next one is the bearing. The rolling friction is less than the sliding friction. Hence, free wheels of the cycle and motor car etc. are provided with ball bearings to reduce the friction. That means rolling friction. The wheels will roll on the road. So for some time what happens? In some cases the wheels get skid because the friction. There will be a less of friction. For that case, the ball bearings, the wheels are provided with the ball bearings to reduce the friction so that we can reduce the accidents on the roads. Next, lubricants. Lubricants forms a thin layer between the surfaces in contact and reduce the friction. So let us assume there are two surfaces. If we move those two surfaces in the opposite direction, what happens? Due to friction, it will not move. So if we place a lubricant, so for example take an oil, place the oil in between those two surfaces. So what happens? That oil will smoothen the force, which smoothly they move in the opposite direction. So that the lubricants are used like oils, grease, all those are the lubricants, comes under the lubricants. These lubricants are used to reduce the friction. And next is the streaming. Automobiles and aeroplanes are streamlined to reduce the friction due to air. There is also friction due to air, so that the aeroplanes, it is having the wings. What is the use of having wings for the aeroplane? It will oppose the air force which is coming in the opposite direction. So this is one of the methods to reduce the air friction. So these are the four methods to reduce the friction, and this is very important for examination point of view. We will get for 4 marks.